Sealed Air introduces the I-Pack Automated Void Reduction System. The I-Pack process automatically removes unused void by folding away the unused volume. The shortened tray prevents the box contents from shifting during shipping. The I-Pack system is designed for fulfillment operations where the goal is to minimize shipping, consumables, and operating costs while optimizing productivity. The I-Pack system is ideal for books, CDs, DVDs, and a variety of other items. One I-Pack system can support multiple pick stations while reducing the overall number of packers. The I-Pack system process can be divided into 4 steps. Automatic tray forming, item placement, automatic void measurement and folding, automatic lid placement and pack closure. Let's look at the I-Pack process again in detail. The first step is to create a tray. This is done automatically by the tray forming module. A tray flat is dispensed, dabbed with glue, and then pushed through the former. This process results in a uniformly square-shaped tray that is stronger than a traditional regular slotted container. The newly formed containers are conveyed to the picking area. Here the pickers place the items to be shipped in the tray. The tray with items is conveyed to the height adjustment and lidding module. The tray is measured for excess height to be removed. The tray is folded. The tray folds are glued down. The folded tray advances. Glue is applied to the lid as it is dispensed and pressed onto the tray, sealing the pack. The shortened tray prevents the box contents from shifting during shipping. Let's look at the I-Pack system one more time. The tray is formed. Pickers place items into the tray. The tray is measured. The tray is folded. The folds are glued. The lid is placed, sealing the pack. The I-Pack system can be integrated with ERP and WMS system software. It can also be used in conjunction with warehouse equipment, including conveyors, sorters, voice picking, scales, and label-on-label printing with part lists. The I-Pack system can be equipped with an optional module to insert inflatable bubble or paper. Savings on shipping. Smaller overall volume reduces air freight and last mile costs. Savings on operations. Tray forming, height adjustment, and lidding process is automated and high throughput. Picking is more productive in trays than in RSCs. Savings on materials. The need for additional packaging material is reduced. I-Pack materials can be sourced from local suppliers. Savings on reduced return ratio. The I-Pack fold increases box strength, adding product protection. The glued pack is securely sealed and tamper evident. The protection is consistent and efficient regardless of the production speed, whatever the box filling rate or product mix. Enhanced image. Good environmental profile. The 100% corrugated package is curbside recyclable. Impressive package. The finished appearance of the package enhances brand image. Easy to open. The built-in tear strip makes opening an easy pull. Reliability. The I-Pack system is safe, reliable, and designed in accordance with CE European directives. The I-Pack system is CSA compliant and tested and approved by NRTL.